Welcome to Krio Food Jam, where we get creative in the kitchen. In this series, you'll discover why Krio Krush seasonings are the absolute foundation for creating flavoursome and interesting dishes. We'll not only show you why, but I'll also divulge some of the secrets locked away in each seasoning. An African spice mix, Krio's Peri-Peri, can be used in a traditional way and is also a great fit with Mediterranean and Asian cuisines. We've got 2 large chicken Marylands at 15 grams of Peri-Peri spice mix. All we're going to do is just evenly coat and rub the Peri-Peri onto the chicken Marylands. So a medium hot pan, we've just put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom, and all we're going to do is seal the chicken, and we're just going to fry this until the onions are a little bit translucent, our capsicums. Then we're going to add our pitted Kalamata olives, and then the remainder of our Peri-Peri seasoning. We're just going to fry that just enough to release the flavours and the aromas from the Peri-Peri. Then we have 2 tins of crushed tomatoes. Once it comes up to the boil, we're going to add our Italian seasoning. Now this then goes into a hot oven, 170 for about 25 to 30 minutes. So to go with our Peri-Peri chicken, we're just going to make a beautiful warm couscous salad. So first we've got some Krio chicken booster into 100 grams of couscous. We've got some Italian seasoning, some fresh parsley, some Spanish onions, some butter, and some red and green capsicum. Just going to mix that in and then pour in 200 mils boiling water and let it sit. So now our chicken is cooked. That sauce is thickened up nicely and all those flavours and aromas have come through. Just top it with a little bit of fresh parsley. We've got some Silverbeet or some Swiss chard. We're going to season that with a little bit of sea salt. Our couscous, which we made earlier, we're going to place into our mould. Some of our Silverbeet spinach. Then we're going to take our chicken and then we're going to spoon some of that nice sauce over the top. And this is just going to garnish up our dish nicely. And there we have it, Peri-Peri chicken with couscous. Enjoy.